If you're tired of all the sleepless nights, the troubled days you've been getting concerning issues related to your oral health, you need to sit down, watch this video, take note of the steps and implement them because I have the best natural remedy for you. Let's get started. I'm outside now. This is what an aloe vera plant look like if you don't know it before. Using the stable knife, I would slice up the quantity I need. That's the exact quantity you would use at once. Now I'm in my toilet. I'm ready to brush my mouth. Using that same table knife, I would slice the aloe vera plant open. That's the portion I took out from the plant outside. I'll slice it open so I can get the gel. Now you can decide to press it out, but I don't really like that. For me, I don't like using the same toothbrush I use for this aloe vera practice and using it for my normal regular toothbrush. So I have it separate. This blue one, I use it whenever I want to do this. I do this once a week. So I'm using my toothbrush now to get out all the aloe vera gel. Is the aloe vera gel we need. You see it's that green stuff. So now I'll discard this one. It's no more useful. Then I'll brush my mouth. I'm actually brushing my mouth now using the aloe vera gel. I'll brush my mouth the normal way you do brush your mouth. So I'm done. I'll rinse it off and set it aside. I'm done with using this aloe vera now to brush my mouth. Then I'll just go in with my normal toothpaste on my normal regular toothbrush. So you can decide to use one toothbrush, but for me, I don't just like it that way. So I'll brush my mouth. For me, I do this once a week because normally it's not easy testing this aloe vera. Now we've learned how we can use aloe vera. Let's get into reasons why you should do this. Now, aloe vera helps to fight and destroy harmful bacteria found in the mouth. Now, one thing this bacteria does is excessive buildup of bacteria on your gum causes it to swell up. That's when you have inflammation of the gum. So using aloe vera on your mouth is going to help to reduce and kill those bacteria. Now, when you have that inflammation, it leads to what? Pain. That's when you have that pain that you can't really even explain it to someone else. If you've ever felt toothache, then you'll understand better. Now, for the immediate effect, the moment you find out that, okay, you're having slight pain on your tooth or in your teeth, you can just quickly go out, even though you've brushed before, it don't matter. You get the gel and place it on the spot and you'll be relieved. Now, I know that it's not easy. The taste of that bitter aloe vera is not easy to bear, but trust me, its effect is long lasting. The effect of using aloe vera is long lasting. Now, aloe vera has what? Healing properties for people with mouth ulcer. You know what ulcer means? Wound, those little blisters or wound in your mouth. Yes, aloe vera helps to cure and heal them. Now, another one is aloe vera helps to make the teeth strong and white. It whitens the teeth, it brightens your teeth up. Yes, so using aloe vera on your mouth should not only be when you have issues. Okay, some people might feel that, oh, I don't have any of these issues, I'm not battling with toothache, I don't have a mouth ulcer. it does not matter. You can still use aloe vera because it will help us to make your teeth whiter and stronger, and this is natural, void of any chemical. It has not been processed mixing with it has not been processed and mixed with any other chemicals, so you are getting it in its 100% natural state. So you know that you don't have to be scared of any side effects. Now, another thing aloe vera does is it helps to clear plague. You might be wondering what's plague, but if you like run your tongue around your mouth now like this, you feel like this sticky, you have this sticky feeling at the roots of your teeth. Yes, that's what we call plague. Then for some persons on the outer part, you see close to their gum at the root of their teeth, you see something like yellow, green, red, and some colors like that just lined at the parts where their gum end and their teeth is beginning. Yes, that's what we call plague. Now, aloe vera, using aloe vera on your teeth can help to clear this thing easily. If you are scared of using the clinical method of mouthwash way, or they call it scraping of the teeth, or be something like that, where if you are scared of that, you don't want to bleed and the rest, continuous use of aloe vera would help to clear this, and at the end of the day you have a better oral health. And not to forget, it also helps to fight mouth odor, offensive odor. So to achieve this, you just have to test the taste of that aloe vera and use it on your tongue. So with this way now, you've saved money, you've saved yourself from a lot of pain, and you have little to worry about any side effects because it's 100% safe. But then if you try out this method and things are not still going well for you, although I believe it will go well, because for every person I've seen, yes, they received good results from this practice. And one thing I should tell you, aloe vera is natural, so its effects would not be automatic, it will not be immediate, so you have to continue using it. Yes, it's different when you are using chemicals, like for everything at all aside this mouthwash, if you are using chemicals to do something, you achieve your results faster, right? But most times the effect is not long lasting. But when you want to go the natural way, the result might not be immediate, but the result is long lasting. So for me, I recommend this. But if the symptoms still persist, you are free to seek medical advice. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. On this channel, I give fashion tutorials, I give agricultural tutorials, I give lifestyle tutorials, so there's a lot of value to gain from here. Kindly subscribe, like my video, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a new video. Until next time, I say goodbye.